Well met, explorers. Welcome to the Kingdom Quest series Experience to Level. We will explore how to level in our faith and find ways to connect with God. There is no one size fits all formula because God knows us well enough to offer ways that speak to each of us. If you feel something's missing, the tutorial guide, Introduction to Faith, might be able to help. Through the NIV Student Bible, we are going to look at the main points of the remaining books of the New Testament. At level 15, we read the last letters, which explain the purpose of Old Testament practices, emphasized how believers should behave, encouraged those being hunted for their faith, and warned against false teachers. Hebrews. No one knows who wrote Hebrews, but there's a probability it first went to Christians in danger of slipping back into Judaism. It interprets the Old Testament, explaining many Jewish practices as symbols that prepared the way for Christ. James. As a man of action, James emphasized the right kind of behavior for a believer. Someone who calls himself a Christian ought to act like it, James believed, and his letter spells out the specifics. 1 Peter. Early Christians often met violent opposition, and Peter's letter comforted and encouraged Christians who were being persecuted for their faith. 2 Peter. In contrast to Peter's first letter, this one focused on problems that spring up from the inside. It warns against false teachers. As the Holy Spirit guides us in every solo, daily, and weekly quest along our path, we discover more by reading the Bible and praying each day. Let me know in the comments which book caught your attention. As we seek the kingdom and share this quest, each and every one of you are always welcome. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen as we explore this journey together.